The bunnies have been around here, folks. Maybe one bunny or never. I put some apples there a couple weeks ago. They've obviously been digging at that. So yeah, bunnies are around, looking good. Morning, folks. We're out at the cabin again the weekend. Going to set up a few more slips. Set my slips back up, I should say. We had a bit of snow, so it's a good sign. We can see if the bunny's been around. Checked a couple of otter beds earlier this morning, and the bunny's been around there. I laid some old apple pieces out there for them, and they seem to be around enjoying that. So maybe I'll check that out when I go back. So the plan for today is to reset my slips. We're only here for one night, so it'll be a short. You never know your luck. Last time I set it for one night with bad weather. I did get a rabbit, so we'll see how it goes. We'll set out some slips. Of course, check my game cameras, and later on today I'm going to get some stuff ready to make some rabbit pens. Snow is on the ground now, and I'm sure we will get more snow before the winter's over. So I want to get rabbit pens. I'm going to build 2 rabbit pens. I want to get them ready for the winter to use up here in the woods for catching a few rabbits, hopefully. So I'll take you along as I do that, and if I got any game camera footage, interesting game camera footage at the end of this video, if I got any interesting game camera footage, I'll put it at the end of this video, is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, it's a bit wet this morning, but we're going to enjoy our little walk in the woods and reset our slips. So I'm at my first slip here now, and I'm going to reset that, and we'll catch up with you when we get back to creating the rabbit pens. Thanks for watching, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment at the end of the video. So, folks, we got the first slip set up there now. Looks like a good run, and looks like there's rabbits have been here. So a few prints in the ground there. So hopefully we'll catch one in the morning. Like a chickadee, but he was obviously wasn't in his winter colors. So, folks, this is the area that we've seen moose travel back and forth all fall. Excellent spot for moose. They come down off that high country up there, come down into the tucks. So it's great moose country. Those that have a license, be a great spot for sure. Anyway, maybe in another year, be lucky enough to get a license out here. And you can see, look, moose have definitely traveled. This is where they come down through. And I usually catch them on my game camera over here in the corner. They tend to walk down here, and I catch them right there in the game camera. See the game camera right there on that tree. So I'll switch this one out now, and I think I'll move it to get a different angle. Lots of water running, boys. Lots of water. A few more snares to set up, folks. Folks, I got me slips all reset. Check them in the morning, of course. Gonna go back now and make up a few rabbit pins, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully tomorrow morning we'll have something to show you in the slips. Stay tuned, folks. Hey folks, welcome back. We're going to make some rabbit pins today. So I got some leftover lumber from the patio from last summer. And so I'm going to cut that up down in pieces. I don't have my chicken wire here. I left it at home, so I'll wait till I get back to the garage to complete the project. But I was talking to Charlie White earlier the week, and I asked Charlie what the dimensions for his rabbit pins. Charlie's the first fellow that I've seen make those. But yeah, so basically I need some 2-foot pieces, 3-foot pieces, and each side they're 2 foot high, 3 foot wide on the two longer sides, and the ends are just 2 foot square. That's what I think they are anyway. So I'm going to make these up here now and cut up my strapping and take you along. So folks, I got one pen cut out, so you can see this is the longer pieces are the two sides, and the two smaller squares are the end pieces. Now I will screw all these together, put rabbit wire, staple rabbit wire to it and everything else. Then I'll tie wrap them on the corner so they fold up flat when you're transporting them, like I see Charlie and Pat and Andrea do. And hopefully the winter now gets a bit of snow, I'll have set them out to catch a few more rabbits. So I'll get finished now cutting up the rest of these. I have enough for 2 pins. That's all I was going to make anyway. So we'll get that done and catch up with you when I get it finished. Well folks, looks like we lost a lot of snow since yesterday. It got really mild. So we're back to the bog, water, lots of water of course. We'll come up now, see if we have any luck with the snares. Stay tuned. Hey folks, checked the snares this morning. Didn't have anything, no luck on the snares. I did have one snare struck up, which means a rabbit might have hit it, bumped it, and strung up a little bit. So didn't get him. I missed him. So, or maybe it was a squirrel or something else. We don't know. Anyway, that's all I had this morning. So go back home now later today. Later on this week now, I'll get the pens finished that I started yesterday, and had them ready for the winter. I don't know if we'll get back to setting slips anymore before the new year, but once we get some snow, I'm looking forward to setting out those rabbit pens. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video. I'll catch you on the next one.